In this video, we will be looking at how to design simple PowerPoint slides so that you can use it for educating or for just informing your viewers, and you use it for your screencasting because you'll be recording your screen, and so you could have something flashing on the screen or moving on the screen while you're recording, just as I am doing in this video. One thing you have to know is, please don't waste your time designing beautiful PowerPoint slides. It doesn't really matter. We have tested this thing and most people don't care much about graphics and all stuff, so just make simple PowerPoint slides. You could do the outline of it, or you could actually put your script directly and read it. You can literally read it while you're recording your voice and recording your screen, or you could just do outline and then you talk about each of the points on the outline before moving on. So let's see how we can design a very simple PowerPoint slide. So now in the home, we can decide to, let's create new. Go to new. This is PowerPoint, my PowerPoint software in my laptop. So you can decide to use a blank, or you could just pick any of these templates we do. I'm telling you, don't waste your time on this. You can just choose anything. So let's just choose this. So I just click create. So assuming I want to do my channel trailer for my YouTube channel, so assuming we want to do a channel trailer and want to use screencasting instead of doing the regular headshot video here, I could just come and start editing this PowerPoint slide. We already have our script for the channel about page. I can use that now for my channel trailer. I can use this as a script for my channel trailer. So real estate, investment, lifestyle. I copy this, I come here, show my face here when recording the screen, so that at least I humanize the brand. So let me add a new slide, so I can put an image here. Let me insert. So I have my picture here. I could just resize it properly. So what I'm doing here, I'm trying to make sure that it enters one by one. So I just simply come here, select, come to animations, come to appear, come to this side, say on click, and please on click. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, so that when I want to record, it will be entering one by one while I'm talking. So that's what I'm doing there. So now we already have our slides. We'll start recording. So this is just a sample. You can do it any way you want. You make sure that I don't want to bother you. Make sure that all the fonts are the same type, the font type, the font size, all are similar, so that it looks organized. But for the sake of this video, I don't want it to bother you so much about this. So I guess you understand what I mean. Font type, font size should be similar. So I could remove this. I could safely remove this. This is 28. Let's leave this one to let's hold on. Let's leave this one to as 28. When we are editing, we would put the remaining things, but these, I'm killing many birds with one stone here. First, I want us to show you how to script your channel trailer. Apart from that, we are learning how to design slides for screencasting and how to shoot the slides for screencasting and how to edit it. And then we will be learning how to put some of those elements in your editing software. Okay, now let's go into the actual recording of our screen, the actual screencasting and screen recording. I want you to have that playful attitude when it comes to using this software. or any other software we'll mention. Just play around with the interface, try the free version, play around, get familiar with some things. It's very cheap. You can just come in here to the pricing and just pick this one, deluxe, fill in your details. You can pay with your card or with PayPal. Just agree and then you can pay. But for now, let's see how we can record with the free version. I said the free version has limitations. You cannot edit your videos, which is compulsory. So eventually you will need to use an editor. And again, there will be a watermark of Screencast-O-Matic on it. And apart from that, you are limited to 15 minutes. But let's just try it out, see how we can record for free. So let's click start recording for free. Let's launch the free recorder. So we have the ability now, we'll download the free recorder. So it is here. So let me click to launch. Now if you pay for it, it also gives you your own the paid version of download launcher or something, or recorder. So this one is for the free one. Let's try this out and see. So you see it's downloading, setting up. Okay, so now that we have launched Screencast-O-Matic, we have the option to record our screen only, or record only the webcam here, or record both webcam and our screen, which is what we'll use here, because of course this is our channel trailer and I want to show my face so that people can connect. You see my handsome face, connect with me, and it's sort of like personalizing the whole brand and my channel. Apart from that, there are few settings here. You see the maximum is 15 minutes because we are using the free version. We're playing around with the free version yet. For the size of the screen, I usually leave it at full screen to record the entire screen. And then from narration, you can select, you can see it to check for the microphone. This is the microphone I'm using at the moment. I can select that. I can use the default microphone, or I can change it to this other microphone here. So eventually I'll change it to this. For now, let's just continue. So you select the microphone you want to use, and then you choose what works for you or what is affordable for you. Apart from that, if you come to the webcam section here, we can select where we want our webcam to be. So let it be below here, and if I come here, I'll be able to select the webcam. As at the moment, it's only the webcam for the laptop that is here, but if I simply connect my external webcam, I think it should show up. So it's here now. And so if I click it now, so now you can see my handsome face. And so this is how it works. So one thing I can do is I just click OK. One thing I can do now is open up my slides, the slides we created. And so as I record, I'll select the microphone and I click record. I can start recording my slides, right? So I just simply click this record, and it will give me a countdown, go. And so now I can just come here, enlarge it to full screen, and start talking. Hello, I am Realtor Malik, and then you keep talking. While you're talking, you're pressing the different slides and you go to the next slide. On this channel, I make videos to inform, educate, and then you move on. Expect videos on this, you move on, it will keep recording, and then at the end you say, who do you know that is interested in buying this? Feel free to call or WhatsApp me on this number. And then you can stop, you can pause, and then you click done, then you click save, or you can go ahead and edit. You click save so that you use another editor, or you can edit it, or you can choose this to edit it on Screencast-O-Matic.